A drunkard walking in a narrow lane, taking 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward, followed again by 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward, and so on. Each step is 1 meter long and requires 1 centimeter. Plot the xt graph of this motion. Determine graphically and otherwise how long the drunkard takes to fall in a pit 13 meters away from the start. Now, so here the drunkard is going forward direction for 5 steps, that means plus 5 meters. Again he is coming backward direction 3 steps. So 5 steps he is going to take 5 seconds, these 3 steps he is going to take 3 seconds. So the distance from the starting point is only 2 meters. So what is the total time taken to cover? So for this displacement, nothing but 5 seconds plus 3 seconds. So that means, so he is going to cover 2 meters distance within 8 seconds. That implies from t equal to 0 to t equal to 8 seconds, he is going to cover 2 meters. Now, so nothing but plus 5 and minus 3. 5 steps in forward direction, 3 steps in backward direction. So 2 meters. Now, t equal to 8 to t equal to 16. Next 8 seconds, he is going to cover again 2 meters. So that means he will be at position 4 meters. That means from 2 meters, forward direction plus 5 and backward direction 3. Then you will get 4 meters. Now, from t equal to 16 to t equal to 24 seconds, again next 8 seconds, he is going to cover 2 more meters. Now, he is at a position of 6 meters from the starting point. Now, t equal to 24 to t equal to 32. Next 8 seconds, he is going to cover again 2 meters distance. Now, he is at a position of 8 meters from the starting point. Now, next one, now the pit is at a distance of 13 meters. The pit is at a distance of 13 meters. So, from 8 meters, if he can travel 5 meters, he will reach the pit and he will fall into the pit. He can't come back. So, that means from 8 meters, if he can travel 5 meters, he will reach the pit, he will fall in the pit. So here he has to travel only 5 meters in forward direction. So it will take only 5 seconds to reach the pit. So from t equal to 32 to t equal to 37. So within these 5 seconds, he will reach 5 meters in forward direction. He will fall in the pit. So that implies he will take 37 seconds time to reach 13 meters distance. That nothing but after 37 seconds he will fall in the pit. Now let's draw the graph between displacement versus time. This is the time and this is the displacement. Now initially it will start at t equal to 0. Within 5 seconds it will reach 5 meters. It will reach 5 meters. After 5 seconds, once it reach 5 meters, again it will come back. He will come back. Nothing but 3 meters in backward direction. 3 meters in backward direction. So that this will be 2. Now this time will be 5 seconds and this time will be 8 seconds. 5 meters, 5 seconds and next 3 meters, 3 seconds. Total 8 seconds. Now again he will go in forward direction by 5 meters. He will go forward direction by 5 meters. So from here, so here displacement is 2. From here 5 meters means this will be 2 plus 5, nothing but 7. Now from here again he will come back by 3 meters. So 7 minus 3 means here the distance will be 4. This will be 4. And coming to time. So this is 8 and this is 5. Total this is 13 seconds time. Now from here to here he will take again 3 seconds time. So 13 plus 3, 16. Now from 4 meters again he will go forward direction by 5 meters. 5 meters. 4 plus 5, 9. So this will be 9. So time taken to reach this point. So he started at 4 meters at t equal to 16 seconds. He will take 5 seconds time to travel 5 meters. So this will be 16 plus 5, nothing but 21. Now again he will come back by 3 meters distance. So 9 minus 3, it will be 6. So it will be 6. So here the time will be 21 plus 3, nothing but 24. Now from here again he will travel 5 meters in forward direction. So 6 plus 5, 11. So this will be 11. Now again he will come back by 3 meters. So 11 minus 3 is nothing but 8. So this will be 8. Now this time 24 plus 5, nothing but 29. So again to come back 3 meters, again he will take 3 seconds time. So 29 plus 3, nothing but 32. Now here he is at a position of 8 meters from the starting point. Now he will travel in forward direction by 5 meters. Now this displacement is nothing but 13. So at this 13 meters there is a pit. He will fall in the pit. Now here, so to travel this 5 meters distance, he is going to take 5 seconds time. So 32 plus 5, 37 seconds.